Normally, I would be at work right now, but we only had, I think, like 5 patients on the schedule for today, and there was no need to have 2 of us there because we probably would have been done by like 6 o'clock. By 6 o'clock. So, by 6 o'clock. So, I ended up just taking today off. So I will have another 3-day weekend. So yeah. But anyway, it's kind of like a good thing that I was off today because I have a ton of stuff that's actually being delivered today. And I'm really, really excited about it. I'm trying to see, is this gonna keep me in the, I don't know, because I'm using my iPad, because typically I use my phone. And hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping in. I decided that before I get out of this uniform, because I just got off work, that I was going to do a little unboxing with you, because I have 4 boxes that I want to show you guys. So let me get into it, because I am exhausted. So I don't know what's in this box right here. Hopefully they didn't show an address on it, but yeah, I don't know what's in here. But let's open it up. Okay, some of this stuff, like, I get it and I'm just so confused. Okay. Oh, okay. Ugh. I have so many boxes that I need to break down. But the first thing is Jessica Simpson Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber for glowing and refreshed skin. And I've always wanted one of these skin scrubbers. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this works. It says that it tightens skin and reduces fine lines, exfoliates rough skin, improves product absorption. It has a rechargeable USB cord. Has high frequency. It has cleansing, lifting, and moisturizing. That is the 3 modes on it. And then this pack includes the wand, a cap, the USB cable, and the user manual. Now, I'm not sure exactly how much this retails for, and that's because I got this to do a review on. So I want to open this up so that we can see what it is together. Well, see what it looks like together. I know most of you probably already know what these look like. I'll probably already have one, but for those of you who don't have one and are curious to what it look like, we're gonna look at it together. They sure got this tape real good. So here we go. And once you pull it out, it looks like this. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It has like this little crystal thing in the middle, and then it has Jessica Simpson on the back. Has a little top on it, and it's like a silicone top, and that's what it looks like with the top off. You just press down, and that lets you know this little thing has, and it changes color for the second mode, and it turns off. Okay. So yeah, I can't wait to give this a try. And when I do, I might do like a first impression on it. I might. If you see a video of it, you know that I did. I am like dropping everything right now. Put that in here. Next box are 3. Well, it's supposed to be 4, but 3 things from good old Yankee candle. So I'm excited to see what these are and make sure that they're not broken, because the UPS folks, they tested me right now. I hit the corner and my packages were like thrown all over the ground, literally thrown on the ground. And normally I can see them when they come up, but now they realize that I have a doorbell. So to keep from, I guess, being seen on the doorbell, they just stand at the corner and toss my stuff. Thankfully, it looks like it had them pretty well packaged. It came like this. So let's see. Okay, it's not broken. Thankfully, it's not broken. This is soft wool and amber. Soft wool and amber. As you guys may or may not know, I do have their wax melts, and they smell so freaking good. and this feels good. Once I took the top off, you can like smell it, and this smells good. This is kind of like the scent that I go for, like a warm woody scent. Yeah, and it's a 2-wick candle. Of course, I will have how much these retail for. Normally you can get candles on Yankee candle site for pretty cheap, and then they have like coupons on top of that. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in a little holster to keep it safe for right now. So there's 1 down, 2 to go. Let's open this one. Maybe I should have already had the box open, but yeah, I'm excited. If these smells as good as the other one, yeah. Crap, this truck is heavy. It's heavy. Pull that out. Ooh, Lord. This is a big boy. Bam. This is the wood wick. It crackles as it burns. And the name of it is Magnolia Birch. Oh, this smells so freaking good. Yeah. And this right here, it says sight, create a long beautiful flame, scent, fill your room with fragrance, sound, the comforting crackle of a fireplace. So this is a new wood wick candle experience. You guys can pause to read if you would like, but yeah, I'm so freaking excited. Put this in, it's a container too. Yeah, and we got 1 more to go, and this is kind of light, so I'm kind of thinking this is the car air freshener. This one I'm thinking it is. And this is a wood wick journey vent fragrance kit, and this is in white teak. So that's what that looks like. So it's for 30 days of premium fragrance, and then the refill is included, and it's adjustable fragrance strength. So I guess you can adjust it any way that you want to give you as much scent. Okay, so I guess you can pull it up or down to increase or lessen the scent. So that's really neat. It smells pretty good. So yeah, this all I got in the mail today. I did get my business cards. I'm sure you got some of those, and I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm super excited, and voila! So these are what my business cards look like. I hope y'all can see that, because I'm pretty sure it's kind of focusing on me, and I don't need to focus on me. I need to focus on this card. Let me see. I'm trying to get it so y'all can see, and then voila, on the back of it. I do have the thing I was telling y'all about on that I was gonna be making something for Halloween, or like Halloween theme. I think I told y'all. If I didn't, sorry, but yeah, I guess I didn't edit the video that I needed to, because I did do a video and I didn't edit it, obviously. So yeah, but let me get out these clothes, take a shower, de-stress, and I'll see you guys later.